Good morning everyone. Look what just arrived at my house. Right now it's still Wednesday on my calendar and this video could be posted on Monday. Yeah, not sure. I think I know what this is and it's making me a little bit excited about it, so let's open together. They always ship in a nice packaged so that whatever is on the inside not get damaged. Let me just open one portion of the box to rescue the pretty box that is on the inside. Okay, let's see. Here it is. How much I love these boxes, because there's always something very good on the inside. Let's see if I'm correct, and then I think there's only this package right now that I am waiting from Paint and Fairy. Remember that I do have a affiliate discount code. This is will be like Natalia, spelling out my name, and you can have 5% discount code. Okay, is this the princess or not? Okay, ready? You're going to see first. 1, 2, 3. Still cannot see. Okay, mystery continue. Let's pull out design. There's bag. Look at this nice linen bag, and usually they have in here I believe 28 count. Yes, it's still 28 count, 20 needles. The kit, it's all the same, looks like, in every packaging from now on. The same gold scissors, very good quality scissors, very sharp, but at the store itself they don't have them for sale. I checked already a while ago. Then we have 3 finger protection. We have 3 bobbins for the needle minder, and oh my god, oh my goodness, wow, look at that, look at that. You know those big ones that we had before? Whoa, what this little one for? That's such a tiny. I thought maybe they accidentally put popped popcorn or something in a bag. Is this like a metal magnet? No, it's not. Wow, I never see this kind of tiny thing before. That is cute. I don't know what I can do with it, but that's funny. I will put in the same container that I have my other one, those big one figurines. So this is kind of like a baby. Okay, then we have some extra floss again. This time we have $9.59. What is it? $9.59. Little by little I'll have a whole collection. This package definitely cheered me up today, and like I said, just like 10 minutes ago I received this package and I decided to review right away to cheer myself up. 951 TMC code. Thank you for this extra gift. And what else we have in here? Oh yes, it's our princess. Okay, so instruction and a booklet about the factory. And then there is 2 more needle with the cross stitch. This 2 needle I think I'm just going to put in this bag so I don't lose it. Okay, that's cute, the little figurine. Okay, so my princess arrived, Ariel, and I was just like craving to see all the threads that would go with her. So far I have Jasmine, and this is my second princess. I really love the Rapunzel, which Cinderella also is very beautiful. It's kind of like a starry night in the background. But look how amazing all those pinks colors. Lots of pink. Can you handle this much pink? I love that they started to use this kind of envelopes. They are much more comfortable. And here she is. Oh, she's so pretty. It's like a northern light behind her. I just now see this for the first time, actually. I never paid attention before. All I see is her beautiful pink hair. And look at that, there's a beautiful light behind her. I think it's like a northern light. She's so pretty, so many details, flowers in the bottom. Her hair is beautiful. Princess Ariel. Love her face in here. Her hair is so luscious. Oh, nice. Very nice. So yeah, I ordered this one, and literally next day the Rapunzel was arrived in the store because I asked to put them. And I would definitely order that one first, probably before this one. But that's okay, I don't mind, because little by little I would love to have the whole collection of them. So let's see how many colors. 145 colors all in total, which on this page all blends, and we have all blends in here till 62 solid colors and rest of blends. Only full cross stitch and no other stitches in here. Beautiful. And you know what I noticed? Let me see the other pages. Wow, okay. They used to have blocks of the same symbol. This one doesn't have it. Well, why not? I like that feature very much. Why this one doesn't have, unless they don't have a repeat. They do have a 7 blue, 7 green. Maybe because don't have too many of each symbols. Okay. Hopefully print on the canvas. Beautiful. Okay. Love this. Okay, I'm not going to put right now yet in the envelope, but look at this beautiful. Oh, she's so pretty, all those colors. Let's see canvas first and then threads. Canvas are very stiff, they always do. Okay, how about, oh, look at that, how nicely printed. You can outline Princess right away. Her hands, you can see her very good on this canvas. Jasmine was a little bit, I think, more difficult to recognize, but this princess looks so good in here. Oh, okay, keep close and look at her face. If you want an easy way to stitch first her, she don't have too much of the change colors like in here, maybe like on the edges somewhere. Let me stand up so maybe it will be more comfortable. There's some more changes of the colors like on the bottom because it's more busy area. If we can look more close in here, I hope it's focusing for you because at this point I don't know what do you see. Let me change the, okay, let me try to see so I can see screen as well. No, the clarity looking good. What do you think? Let me see very close of the symbols. Symbols looks nice. Oh, she would be fun to stitch because she looks like easier. I would say not as much confetti that were jasmine, and always they stitch all the way around, so it's already print on a canvas, also on the sides. Clarity very nice. You can look in here, don't have to even go into the book unless it's in a frame that you cannot see it because it will be rolled, because the other one is actually on the bottom, and here all the blends on the bottom, so you're not gonna see them up there. Wow, canvas looks amazing. So let's check it out actually how many shades of pink this could be. Oh, this canvas makes me happy. We'll see, maybe I even upload this video sooner than Monday, because I kind of feel sorry to hold it from you for this long. Oh my goodness, look at this shades. Look how pretty. How many colors in here? Is it 3 only? Feels like more. Yeah, 316. Oh no, yeah, 316, 3727, 778. 3 colors in a combo. They look so good together, how they blend in together. That's going to be nice shading. Oh wow, this is so vibrant, so pretty, just like this. Look how satisfying all these colors. We have a plastic palette, and this pink, I'm just glad that I actually got a pink ribbon with this one, because it would be weird not to have a pink ribbon with such a pink colors. Okay, so first one, we have some numerical order new shades in here: 2, 3, 5, 23, 24, and then regular DMC code. Everything is in DMCs. Wow, some shades I don't even know if I even own. 309. Wow, look at this one, 335, so pretty. Wow, so many pretty shades in here. I don't think I ever see this many pink in one palette. I don't know if you think it's going to be like not as fun to stitch just with pink. Well, can you imagine some people stitching just the shades of gray? At least this is happy colors. Oh wow, this one go probably like those green pieces go for Aurora Borealis behind her. Colors so pretty. Wow, I have to rethink what I have in my whips and maybe even get and start all princesses at once. Make myself feel good about it. Look at that. So amazing. And then more of this kind of green. 3813 DMC code for this green. So bright. That's a lots of shades of pinks. Wow, look how beautiful. What a beautiful palette. Wow, look at this. Isn't it amazing? And a whole bunch of extras. This one color, I think it's for her dress, because her dress looks like, if I can put like this, it looks like it's going for her dress. You see, looks like shades of this one design. This threads, not design. And yeah, those green spots in here that we have on the sky, it's kind of will be this one minty, some pretty minty on this side, and some grayish color There's more minty. Wow, that is beautiful. I love it. Tell me what you think. Many of you already own this design, and I hope you're stitching already. Let me know what you think about this. Happy stitching, everybody. Link will be under my video, and I will see you tomorrow.